Hello students, welcome again to the Radhika classes. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic for the NEET exam. It is a topic from the chapter plant reproduction, that is Megasporangium or the types of ovule. As this topic is not given in your NCERT book, so this topic is not for CBSE point of view but only for NEET exam, and for NEET exam this is very important topic. Megasporangium or a ovule located within an ovary arise from placenta consisting of nucellus and integument. It is attached to placenta on an inner wall of ovary by means of stalk called funicle. A mature ovule shows an opening called micropyle, that is where the integument is absent, and the basal region of ovule where funicle is attached is called hilum. Within the nucellus, a female gametophyte, or we can say embryo sac, is present. This is the structure of ovule. You can see here a stalk called funicle from where ovule is attached to the placenta, and a scar from where it is attached to the funicle is hilum, and the extended portion of a funicle in the ovule is called raphe, and the point where the integument is absent is called micropyle end, and opposite to micropyle end is a chalazal end, and it is filled with the integument. The cells inner to the integument, the covering, it is bitegmic. In most of the dicots embryo sac or ovule, dicot ovules are bitegmic, means having two integuments, and monocotyledons are unitegmic, having only one integument. And in the ovule, nucellus cells are present, and one of the nucellus cell on maturity forms the embryo sac, and that embryo sac has 7 cell 8 nuclei stage. This ovule you are shown in the figure is a typical anatropous ovule. The most common type of ovule that exists in plants is anatropous ovule. Now there are various types of ovules. Mature ovules are classified into 6 types based on the position of micropyle with respect to funicle and chalazal end. So there are 6 types: orthotropous, also known as straight ovule; anatropous, inverted ovule, or the most common type of the ovule; hemitropous, campylotropous, amphitropous, and circinotropous. First is orthotropous or straight. You can see in a figure, in this type of ovule is erect or straight, so that the funicle, chalaza, and micropyle lie one on the same vertical line. Micropyle and chalazal and the funicle, all three lie in a straight line, as in the member of polygonaceae and piperaceae family. Next is anatropous ovule, or we can say inverted ovule. In this, the ovule bends towards the funicle so that micropyle lies close to the hilum. The chalaza lie at the other end. This is the commonest type of ovule found in both monocots and dicots. Third one is hemitropous ovule. In this type of ovule, the body of ovule is straight but twisted in such a way that is placed transverse at right angle, and so the chalaza, micropyle line at a right angle to the funicle. Focus on the term right angle, which is right angle to the chalaza, and micropyle line is right angle to the funicle. This is found in Ranunculus family. Campylotropous ovule, or we can say curved type of ovule. This type of transverse ovule is bent around like a horseshoe, so that micropyle and chalazal do not lie in same line, as in cappsris, Cruciferae, and Mirabilis jalapa plant. This is Campylotropous ovule. Amphitropous ovule or transverse ovule. In this type of ovule is placed transversely at right angle to its stalk or funicle. See here also the term right angle is used, but here right angle to its stalk or funicle, as found in Alicinaceae family and Butomaceae family. Circinotropous ovule, the last one. Initially the ovule is orthotropous, but with continuous unilateral growth of ovule become anatropous. Firstly it was orthotropous, but due to continuous unilateral growth ovule become anatropous, and subsequently the micropyle again pointed upward in fully mature ovule, for example, opuntia. So these are the 6 different types of ovules that are very, very important for your competitive exams. In competitive exams, generally this Amphitropous ovule is asked. So learn the different types of ovule that will help you in your competitive exams. Thank you so much.